Hello guys, this is a Ruger Police Service 6 357 Magnum, and she is a beauty. I seen it and I didn't have one and I had to pick it up, and I like it for two reasons. One, it's a Ruger, so I can shoot hot rounds out of it and not have to worry about wear and tear and damage because Rugers are known for being built tough, especially the revolvers. And then I love the fact that I can shoot the 357, or if I want to save my wrist a little bit, I can shoot the 38 special. The 38 special is a little bit smaller, a lot less powerful. The 357 Magnum has way more recoil and a lot more power than the 38 special. But there's the summary on this little gun, and she's a sweetie. I hope y'all have a good day.